Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about in what house does Venus gives good results. First and foremost thing, let me tell you what is Venus. Venus is the Karaka for finances, Venus is the Karaka for money, luxury, construction, real estate, and Venus is the Karaka for assets, for the tangible and intangible assets that you have in your life. And also Venus is the Karaka for vehicles. Alright, and if Venus is placed in the first house, fourth house, fifth house, 7th, 8th, 10th, 11th, these houses, of course the ninth house, all these houses Venus brings very good results for you. In all the significance which I have told you, all these things will be manifested to you, especially in the 5th house, 9th house and 11th house. And of course the second house, Venus brings a lot of money for you, but the money flow will be really good if at all Venus is placed in the 2nd and 11th houses, because 2nd and 11th houses are considered as financial houses in your life. And 5th house is the house of children and abundance and prosperity, and 9th house is considered as house of fortune. If Venus is placed in the 5th house and 9th house, it is considered as super beneficial, and this makes the person get attracted towards abundance and prosperity. And Venus represents female figures in the person's life. This person will be attracted by a lot of female figures because this person will be very handsome, and also that magnetic personality will be there in his aura. So that's the reason people get attracted, because of his knowledge, because of his handsome personality, because of his fan following that this person will be having. Most of the celebrities have this kind of, especially most of the celebrities like Miss India, Miss Universe, and all the actors, actresses have strong Venus in the birth chart. Without that, they cannot gain the success in the TV, cinema, and movie industry. And of course, Rahu also should be supporting the Venus to become super popular, because Rahu is the mass media, mass communication, and digital marketing, all that stuff. Alright, so if Venus is placed in the 3rd house, and if Venus is placed in the 6th house, and if Venus is placed in the 12th house, it will not be able to give the good results. Of course, Venus in the 6th house and 12th house brings depths in the person's life. Alright, and a lot of obstacles, challenges in terms of finances this person has to face if Venus is placed in the 6th house and the 12th house. And if Venus is hemmed between Rahu and Ketu, that means if Venus is conjunct by Rahu or Venus is conjunct by Ketu, Venus cannot be able to give the good results, because Venus is the Karaka for relationships, whereas Ketu is the Karaka for separations, obstacles and challenges. When the relationship planet Venus get conjunct with the obstacle planet, that is Ketu, there will be a lot of relationship problems, there will be a lot of relationship disturbances. You will not be getting good support from your spouse, and you will be having the frequent quarrels with your spouse, because Venus is the Karaka for spouse and Ketu is the Karaka for obstacles and misunderstandings and all that stuff. So Venus and Ketu doesn't go well. And of course Venus and Rahu also, in some zodiac signs, especially in the 6th house and 12th house, if Venus and Rahu are together, then it's considered as good. But if Venus and Rahu are placed in the 7th house, 5th house and the 9th house, that will take off your luck, that will take off your good fortune. Alright, so that's how you need to understand the planetary alignment in the birth chart. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video. To answer my question, 1st house, 2nd house, 4th house, 5th house, 7th house, 8th house, 9th, 10th and 11th houses are considered as fruitful, beneficial and super good for planet Venus in the Vedic astrological system, Vedic astrological birth chart. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology, which I keep doing it by making this kind of short videos, making you to understand about the various astrological alignment and also the prospects. You can able to learn just by watching my videos. Alright, and if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. It will enable me to check your birth chart at least for 2 to 3 hours, and I can utilize my time, energy and knowledge to provide you the final prediction by taking all the planetary alignment of your birth chart into the consideration. And I can able to tell you what related to your career astrology, business astrology, relationship astrology, your health astrology, and also about your finances, everything, relationships, everything can be discussed in the prediction, and I can able to provide you the report accordingly depending upon your planetary alignment. So do book for an astrological consultation, and I'll see you in the consultation. Alright, bye for now.